Ever feel like you have big dreams, but no energy to make them happen? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to write a book, get fit, learn something new, but instead, you scroll, you watch TV, you do everything except the thing that matters. So what's wrong? Here's the truth most people don't hear. It's not that you're lazy forever. It's that your goals feel too big. When something feels overwhelming, your brain does what it's designed to do. It looks for comfort, easy dopamine, easy distractions, easy avoidance. That's why starting feels so hard. But here's the good news. This isn't who you are. It's just a habit. And habits can change. Think about how many times you've quit before starting because the goal felt impossible. You want to save money, but cutting back on everything feels painful. You want to get healthy, but running every day sounds exhausting. You do care. Your brain just hates discomfort. So let's outsmart it. Here are 3 simple steps to stop feeling lazy and start doing what actually matters. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks scare your brain, so shrink them. If you want to write a book, don't think about 200 pages. Write 1 sentence today. That's it. Small actions feel safe, and small wins create momentum. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top. You take 1 step, then another. Same with goals. Want to learn guitar? Don't master a song. Practice 1 chord. Progress beats perfection. Every time. Step 2. Build easy routines. Stop relying on motivation. It runs out. Routines don't. If you want to exercise, put your shoes next to your bed. Make starting automatic. Routines are like training wheels. They make action easier until it becomes natural. Ask yourself this. What's 1 tiny routine I can start today? Writing a to-do list in the morning. Drinking a glass of water when you wake up. Stretching for 1 minute. Small structure creates big momentum. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Starting is the hardest part. So lower the bar. Promise yourself just 2 minutes. Want to read? Read 1 page. Want to clean? Clean 1 corner. Want to work? Open the document. Once you start, momentum kicks in. It's like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push is hard. After that, it rolls on its own. Here's a bonus tip. Don't wait to reward results. Reward starting. After your 2 minutes, celebrate in a small way. Listen to a song. Take a short break. Your brain learns that starting feels good. Here's the truth. Everyone you admire started small. They struggled. They failed. They kept going. Your dream isn't dead. It's just a spark. Every small action you take is fuel. Keep adding fuel, and that spark becomes a fire. So ask yourself, what's 1 small step I'll take today? Not tomorrow. Today. Because failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Be kind to yourself. Get back up. Keep moving forward. Let's keep it simple. Make tasks small. Build easy routines. Start with 2 minutes. That's it. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for perfect timing. Pick 1 thing. Take 1 small step. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Start now.